Hi all, this is Akhil Ranji. I'm working in GMM as an application engineer of Cimatron sheet metal. On this video, we can see the quick access toolbar or filter toolbar. For that, I have created a solid object here. So here, the first one is UCS manager that we can see later, and this one is filter object, solid object. The first one is a solid object. If we highlighted this solid object, whenever we are selecting only the solid object we can select. Okay, if you want to select any faces, if you want to select this top face, so you have to change this solid object to surface. If we select the surface, then we can select that a surface, any surface. So otherwise, if it is in solid object, we can select the entire solid object only. Okay, then this one is sketch or sketches. If we have any sketches in this particular object, you can select that sketch only. If you are moving this cursor, you cannot select any solid object right now because it's activated now. The third one is edge. You can only select the edges if you activate this edge command. Okay, we can't select its UCS while activating this. If you want to select the UCS, you have to change the filter datum, then you can select the UCS or datum. So that time you cannot select this object. Okay, this one is thread and any annotation symbol. Then if we are reset this object, it will all selected right now. So now you can select the entire model. Particularly if you want to select any solid object, you have to change that again to this solid, then you can select that. And this one is center point. If you activate the center point, you can simply select the center points only. So if you want to select the midpoint, you have to activate this midpoint, then you can directly select the midpoint. It will help you to select very easily. For example, while you are measuring, you want to select this corner, so it will be difficult, right? So you can go for this endpoint and you can select directly. Then next one, you need to select this midpoint, you can select. That's how we can measure, or we can give any dimension. Then same like center point, if you want to select any center point, now we don't have any hole, but if you have any center point, you can select the center point while clicking the center hole. Okay, then close to curve, there are some other options also available here. So here the first box is saying that clear selection. If you have selected any object and you want to unselect this entire selection, you can go for the clear selection, so it will clear the selection. The second one is select all. So if I select all, it will select the entire object on this window. For example, if I unselect this solid object and surface object, then if I select all, only that UCS and edges will select it. The object won't select. It will act accordingly which one is we have activated. If I select the solid object and if I say select all, it will select an entire solid object. Okay. Then some other selection, color wise, we can select by color. For that I will apply some color. Okay, I will apply yellow color here. Then top and bottom I will give green color. For the radius, here again we have some other selection option. This one is face selection, second one is face selection but expand to the pocket. If you have any pocket, here we have a pocket. If I select this center, it will select the entire pocket. Here we can give some other color. Then face selection mode. If you want to select any radius, so if you activate this radius, simply select the radius, the entire radius will get selected. You don't need to select separately. The connected radius it will select. Okay, it will help you to give the coloring first. give some white color. Okay, then chamfer, we don't have chamfer, same as radius. If you want to select any radius chamfer, you can activate this and you can select easily. And this one is expand to hole. You have any hole command, you can select this hole command. Then set by external sous surface. If you have any surface, if you split any steel and you need to say give the coloring on the entire surface, I mean face, top face, so you can select this one. You can simply select that particular surface, so it will help you to select the entire surface on that particular selection. Okay, this is all about selection. This one is color selection. Here you can see the filter by selected color. So I will select this green color now. Okay, so no, so I will unselect this one. I will select this white color. So if you want to select the entire white color in this particular body, so you can move that, it changes to select by color. So white is selected. If I drag that, the entire white color will get selected. Okay, and now you can change that color, or okay, now I will change that color. Then now I selected, so make sure that it should be off all the time, otherwise you cannot select, because the particular color node is selected with that. So I will select off this color, I will select this magenta color, then I will go for the second option. Okay, filter by not selected color. So select this magenta color, then filter by no color. If I drag, rather than it won't select that selected color, it will select the other entire color which is on this particular body. Then we can customize the color. Okay, sorry, we can open the color box and we can select that colors which we need to apply. Okay, then I will off this one. Then some other selection methods are there. Okay, select by polygon, by lasso, by brush. There are other selections also available. So main important things is that show and hide. So if you want to hide any surface, okay, this one is hide. So if you want to hide any particular face, so I will select that face, and if I go for hide, so it will hide that single surface. If you want to show that hidden surface, you can go for the second button, show, and it will apply the, it will show it the green, right? So you need to select that particular face which we need to show, and you can double tap on the middle button, so it will show. Because I will hide this for yellow faces. Okay, I hide this all. So if you you only want to show this this front view, front face, so what you can do, if I go for show, it will show the entire faces, entire faces which are we hided before. So we only need this face, so just select the single face and double tap, so only this face will get show, other all will get hidden again. So then there is a toggle window is also there, so we can go for the third one, toggle window. Whatever faces we are hiding, it will go to the toggle window. You can go to switch to toggle window. So here you can select and you can hide that, and you can again toggle. So that's how also we can do the show and hide method. Okay, then one more thing, if I hide this one, so we don't need to hide. So normally we will do for control set, we will do the undo, right? So if we set control set, it will it won't affect in show and hide. So for show and hide, they have created another preview hide show button. So if I click preview, the hide and show will again regenerate. So you can do the undo and preview with the help of this arrow. if you are doing control Z, it will delete the last work which we had done. Okay, so don't go for the control Z for hiding this into. Okay, I will preview. If you want to hide, you can go for the preview hide. Okay, I will hide this. If you want to undo that, you can go there. This one is wireframe view and shaded view, hidden line. So no need to open this box, you can directly click this here, so it will change. Okay, so next is the transparent. If you want to transparent any face, you can simply select that face and you can go for the render and transparency. Okay, here you can hide. I said okay. Okay, this face is and the render and transfer now. So here, if you can move that into solid object, you won't see. Otherwise, you can go for the last option. Okay, shaded view. This is about show and hide. This is very important because it will help you to design any product or tool easily.